What is up, everyone? My name is Naveed and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about meme coins. In particular, we're going to be talking about this one meme coin called PINO token. I know there's a lot of people out there and people have been requesting and asking me what meme coin they should get into. So in this video, I found this one meme coin that I believe would potentially explode. It could be a 50x, it could be a 100x, it could be a 500x. And I'm going to go ahead and present all the details that I found myself by doing research. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and talk about the PINO website, PINO coin market cap, PINO community, PINO holders, chart analysis. I'm going to go ahead and compare this coin with Bitcoin, DOGE, and Pepe before they exploded back in February, because we all know that in February we had a big dip, and then slowly we went ahead and started going back up. Bitcoin went from 45,000 all the way up to its all-time high, and then since then it's been going down, and we're reaching that point again. So I want to go ahead and compare all the charts so you guys have a better understanding about what you're dealing with when you're dealing with this type of meme coin. I'm going to also go ahead and talk about my predictions, and at the end I'm going to go ahead and tell you exactly where and how to buy this coin. So just looking at that information, let's go. So right off the bat, we're going to go ahead and look at the website. You can see this is a well-made website. They have a Telegram. You can also, like I know I said we can talk about it at the end, but you can also go on the website and they go over the details about what you need to do to go ahead and buy this coin. It's very simple. It's just like any other meme coin. What you do is you go ahead and download a, for example, MetaMask or a Phantom wallet, or you go ahead and download a Solana wallet, and then you can go ahead and buy this coin directly through the decentralized exchanges. So in this website, they have the guide. They tell you exactly everything is. So I'm just going to go ahead and tell you guys have to create a wallet. If you're that type of person that wants to go ahead and get meme coins, but you don't want to go ahead and create these wallets, then you're probably not going to get into this meme coin, right? So in order to get into these types of meme coins, especially through, for example, DEX tools or DEX screener, you need to go ahead and have a decentralized wallet. This coin is very heavy when it comes to the meme and the comics, and also the community. They have a Discord, not a Discord, I'm sorry, the Telegram, and I'm going to go ahead and go over that as well. So the website looks pretty clean, very clean. The economics of the coin are fairly simple. They have no tax. The good thing that I found about this coin when I was digging into it, the developer team does not hold any of these coins, right? So when those people are afraid, like I know there's a bunch of people out there that are afraid that the developers might have a secret wallet, and that secret wallet might be holding 100 million coins, and they might sell it and rug the entire project. In my research, from what I did and my analysis about these wallets that are holding, and we're going to go over the wallets that are holding it, I'm going to go ahead and show you everything. I couldn't find anything that's owned by a developer, right? And when I say that, usually these decentralized tools are very good at determining who created the wallet, and right off the bat, when you create a wallet, you use that wallet to go ahead and create the coin, and from there they go ahead and label that wallet as a developer's wallet. So this project, the good thing about this project was the fact that there was a developer back a few months back, going 3 to 4 months ago, that wasn't focusing much on the project, and he decided that he wanted to go in and leave. And so there was a group of people that were already invested in this project back then. This project was valued about $65,000, like around that, and these people came together and they went ahead and bought the project from that developer, right? So they wanted to go ahead and make it rug proof. So what they did was they did not own so much of the supply that any one person could go ahead and do a rug pull, which was a really good thing about this project. So you guys don't have to worry about that. The total supply of this token is about 1 billion. It's like 999 million. So 1 billion. Yeah, so look, safety. PINO is a token started on a pump fund. When it first started, they just wanted to go ahead and pump it, and that was it, right? The first developer that was making it. Now, pump prevents rugs by making sure that all created tokens are safe. Each coin on pump is fair launch with no pre-sale and no team allocations. So what they did was, when they went ahead and launched this token, they went ahead and used a platform that went ahead and isolated all the safety components into the token, so one person didn't have too much power where they could go ahead and sell the token completely and rug everyone else and leave everyone else in the dust. Right now, moving forward, over here, I want to go ahead and quickly go over the holders because I know that's what I talked about. Right now, you can see that the volume's pretty good. And you see a fair amount of sell orders. You see a fair amount of buy orders. And over here, you have top traders, and you also have a bunch of people that put in 31,000, 16,000, 11,000, 10,000, which is always a good sign. When people put this type of money into a coin, that usually means that they have a good sentiment about it, right? So when you go over here at the holders, there's about 2,000 people holding this coin. So when you look at it, you can see that there's a liquidity pool. Liquidity pools are usually the decentralized exchanges that hold that certain amount to go ahead and prevent a liquidity crisis, meaning that if there's a million people trying to go ahead and sell the coin, it doesn't do a splash. It doesn't shock the entire market. So what they do is they hold a certain amount of supply in the liquidity pool. So in case anyone wants to go ahead and sell, they can easily sell it and the market stays liquid, right? The last thing you want is 30, 50 people. Basically, the concept is if you have 100 people trying to go ahead and sell something and there's only 4 people that are willing to buy it, that's a liquidity crisis. So they want to go ahead and completely prevent that. And what they do is they created this liquidity pool. So as you can see, there's a bunch of holders that are holding about 120, 109,000. Some people are holding 41, 40, 39, all the way down, right? And you also have to understand this is very important. Yes, there are people that are holding about 4, 3, 2, and 1% of this coin, but there's also almost 50%, 48.9%, which is about 482 million tokens that are being held by other people, right? Which is the other 2,000 and some people, 2,020 people. Right off the bat, I also really want to go ahead and emphasize one other thing. Right now, the market cap is about 2.6 million, and the liquidity right now with the buying orders that people have and the volume, it's about 240,000, right? So it's a little more than this right here, which is always a good sign. Right now, the price is sitting at 0.002727, which is really good, which is very cheap if anyone ever wants to go ahead and get into it. And the volume right now is about 62,000, which is also really good, right? So now, moving on to the overall crypto meme market, right? I just really want to go ahead and emphasize this one other thing. Right now, all the meme coins are down, as you can see. At the very top, like in my last video that I talked about where I chose 5 top meme coins, and this was actually one of them. If you haven't seen that video, you should go watch it. But the overall market on August 24th was about $43 billion, right? This was the meme market alone, just the meme market, right? Now we're sitting at a top about $35 billion. And that's partly because of Bitcoin and because it's been dropping for the last couple of weeks because it's September, and historically September is a bad month for Bitcoin, right? So overall, right now, as you can see, the top coin is obviously Doge, then you have Shiba, then you have Pepe, then you have a bunch of others, and you also have Floki right here, Dogs, and then a bunch of coins, right? All the way down. There's thousands and thousands of meme coins in the market. There's thousands and thousands of other coins in the market, right? But right now, as you can see, these are the coins right here. On average, the market cap for a meme coin, it ranges from anywhere between a couple $100,000 to a couple $1 million. But on the average that we've seen in this market, it's around the price range of $2 to $50 million. $50 million is where there's a lot of sentiment. There's a lot of people getting into it. So this coin, the one we were talking about, PINO, is sitting on top of a $2.6 million market cap, right? Which means it has a lot of potential to go ahead and go up. So now moving forward, I also want to go ahead and go over the chart analysis because this is very important. This also goes in and tells you a lot of big details about what's exactly going on with the chart. Because yes, it's a meme coin, but charts also play a fundamental role in the way that this coin will function, right? And the way that this coin is going to go. So right off the bat right here, from the very low bottom, you can see that this was around August 28th. That's exactly when the meme market started dropping. This is the peak right here, and this is when it really started picking up, right? When the market started dropping, this started picking up, which is a very good sign. People started getting into this from other coins, from other projects. From right here at the very top, as you can see, from the bottom to the top, there was about a 576% increase, right? There was a lot of profit that was made here. So a lot of people took profit, and from here to right now, September 7th, we see that it's down about 41%, which is not bad at all. Right now, we've seen a lot of consolidation, right? It's a lot of consolidation, and we've held this line very, very, very strong, which is about 0.00268, right? Which is about a $2.6 million market cap, right? Sometimes we've gone a little bit low. We got a wick a little bit low around the 2.5 mark, but this is the safe range where a lot of people are accumulating, which is really good. And I'm going to go ahead and compare this with the other charts that we see. Oops. So now I also want to go ahead and compare it with the Doge chart, the Pepe chart, and the Bitcoin chart, because this looks awfully similar to what Doge was and what Pepe was back in February, right? So when you look at Doge, you can see that on Doge, you had a lot of consolidation. You had a big boost. A lot of people sold that right here and then started dropping down. And there was a lot of consolidation that happened before it really kicked off, right? Before it really kicked off, this was also the time where Bitcoin started rallying up. This is also right around the range of where Bitcoin's about to go towards the end of September, right? Right now, the Bitcoin price is sitting on top of about $52,000. And when you look at it right now, $52,980. But you can see this was about February 24th, and in February 24th, Bitcoin was about 51,000. So we're really literally repeating history in the same year. So when you look at these meme coins started rallying up just before Bitcoin started rallying up, and it kept the momentum going. When you look at Pepe, it's the same exact thing. You had a lot of people go ahead and buy in, and they started selling right here, and then you saw a big small drop right down here, and then there was a lot of consolidation that happened in this period. And as the end of February came, because this was also the price of Bitcoin, where it was around $49,000 to $50,000, this was the range. And from there, when Bitcoin started rallying up and reaching its all-time high, you saw this meme coin go sky high along with it, right? So looking at this, we're literally almost repeating history. And from my analysis, it looks really ripe for a big trend up. And I'm going to go over exactly my predictions in a second. But just looking at this chart, and this should tell you that it's history's repeating. It's just a different coin. And there's the same fundamentals. The only difference was Doge had a huge supply. And right here, Pepe had a huge supply, but you also have to understand, which is very important. I just don't want to hype any coin up at all. You have to do your own due diligence, because Doge had a lot of big hype around it, right? You have Elon promoting it. You had Elon tweeting about it almost literally every day. And you also have Pepe, right? And Pepe had a lot of memes, a lot of social media presence. There was a lot of stuff happening in this, right? And you also have to understand there's the market caps. The market caps are insane on these two coins because of where they're sitting right now, right? So now going back all the way over here, the community, it has about 2,729 people inside of it in their Telegram, which is really good. There's a lively community. They're consistently posting, which is what I look at when I'm looking at a coin. I want to go ahead and see that the people are active. I want to see the people are really liking the coin. I want to see the people really doing what they can to go ahead and help the project out. And in this community, you have a lot of people asking questions. You have a lot of the people that are now in charge. You have them answering those questions, which is really good, and which is what I really look at. So now going down, and I'm going to go ahead and talk about my price targets. From 4x all the way up to 400x, and light green means that this is a reasonable price. Dark green means that now you're entering that little territory about it could happen, but there's a lot of things that need to happen in order for us to reach this market cap and this amount of X and this amount of profit, right? And then you also have the red, and you have the ultra red, right? This is where you would really need everything to go perfectly. The media presence would need to be there, and everyone would need to be hyping this coin up, just like what we saw in Doge and just like how we saw in Pepe. And you would also need Bitcoin start rallying up, right? But the thing is, if this coin really does pass $150 million in the market cap, then you're really looking at 200, 300, 400. It shouldn't be that hard to get, especially when there's a big community behind it, because now you have thousands and if not hundreds of thousands of people promoting the project all at once. And it does something which is literally called the Doge effect, where everyone starts hyping it up and a lot of new people start getting into it, and the price keeps going up, right? So right off the bat, if you buy this coin at about $2.5 million market cap, which it's about 2.6, so we're right in the middle of this, or 2.7, so whatever it is, right now, if you were to buy it at 2.5, let's say it's 2.5, you would have about 60,000 coins, and it would only cost you about $150 to $153, right? For the sake of this, I'm gonna say 150, right? 250. I'm sorry, $2.5 million market cap, 150. If you're looking for a 4x, 8x, 12x, 16x, 20x, these are the market caps that you would need to reach. And if you want to take a screenshot, you can. If you want to go ahead and see exactly what the visual looks like, if you're trying to go ahead and buy into this coin, right? The value of this coin goes from 150 to 600 to 1200 to 1800, 2400, and 3000. The thing about meme coins that everyone knows and some people need to understand is that meme coins move very fast. They move very heavy. They move in packs. When a meme coin starts moving, it really does gain momentum, right? It's not rare in a meme coin setting where the market cap reaches 80, 100, 200, 300 million dollars, right? The only thing is we have to manage our risk, and we really have to understand exactly what we're doing, because this is our money at the end of the day. So you can see that in my prediction is that this coin is a easy around 50 to 40 to 50 million dollars. That's a reasonable amount, because historically, when you look at the overall crypto market and these new projects, a lot of them, which are really good, reach a 50 to 60 million dollar market cap. When you reach that $50 million market cap, psychologically, that's the price where a lot of people want to sell. If you maintain that 50, then 60, 80 is no problem at all. And that's why you see those big gaps, because these are psychological gaps. 100 million, once you break 100 million, 150 comes very fast, right? 200, 300, 400, because those are the big bucks that start coming in. You have a lot of whales that start accumulating. So those prices become very, very big, meaning those market cap gaps become very large. So you can see that my ultimate very, very high, if this does reach $1 billion market cap, which I'm not going to go ahead and say that there's a very, very high possibility. There's a lot of things that would need for to happen for this to reach that price point. So if you look at it in a conservative perspective, $10 to $50 million is the price that you could really look at. And in that case, your $150 will be about $3,000, which is still really good profit. And then from there, if we do break that $60 million barrier, you can easily see it all the way go up to hopefully maybe around $100 to $150 million. So there you go. I hope this helps anyone that's looking to go ahead and get into a new meme coin. This is my personal pick. I do like this a lot, and I will possibly be accumulating more of this. I do hold a big chunk, but ultimately at the end of the day, this entire analysis that I did, this entire video, is based on what I analyzed for myself, and I just want to go ahead and share it with the community, because I know there's a lot of people out there that want to go ahead and buy a crypto coin, a crypto meme coin, and they want to go ahead and hold it, but they don't want to get rugged. So hopefully this video helps those people out and everyone else that's looking into getting into crypto in general, because meme coins, believe it or not, are the literal entrance of newbies, new people in crypto, to go ahead and get into crypto. So this is the icebreaker for them. If they lose money here, then they're probably not going to invest in crypto in general, because then they're going to believe crypto is a scam, right? So meme coins are for fun. Just know that if you lose money, you lose money. Only invest what you can really invest. Don't over leverage yourself ever, especially in the meme coin market. What the analysis that I did, it's based on what I'm seeing, but anything can happen, right? Bitcoin can go down to 20,000, which I don't think it will happen, but anything can happen, and it could really cause a major sell-off in any coin. So get into this coin, or get into any coin in general, with due diligence, do your research, and only buy when you know that it's a good buy for yourself, right? Don't listen to anyone else. That being said, if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. I hope this helped you. Leave a comment down below if you want me to go ahead and review any other coins that you see that you want me to go ahead and do analysis on. So do that. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Have a great one.